I'm the Markman, and today we are celebrating Spider-Man Day! So our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man debuted in Amazing Fantasy Comics number 15 on August 1962. So that makes our favorite hero already 63 years old. So because of this special day, I'm now going to unbox all my Spider-Man figures. So are you ready? Then welcome to the Markverse! First of all, my apologies if you'll hear some background noise because we are currently fixing our house. Anyway, I already have a number of Spider-Man figures, including its villains that are currently displayed, and I still have more or less 40 figures related to Spider-Man that are yet to be unboxed. Some of them I got over a year or 2 years ago. Either they are a Spider-Man, Spider-Woman, a close ally or friend, and even a villain. So because today is Spider-Man Day, I feel it's about time to unbox all of them except for the villains because I want to unbox them on a different day. But I will show you first my villains. First is Hobgoblin. Then Chameleon. Tombstone. Hobie Brown Prowler, then Miles Morales Prowler, then Sandman, Tarantula, Carnage, Hallows Eve, Jack-o'-lantern, and last is Inner Demon and Mr. Negative. Then for my non-villains, which we will unbox later, let's start with the live-action Spider-Man Peter Parker, Tobey Maguire from Earth 96283. Spider-Man Peter Parker, Andrew Garfield from Earth 120703. Then from Earth 199999, which is the Marvel Cinematic Universe or MCU, starting with Spider-Man, Peter Parker, Tom Holland. Then the two-pack, Peter Parker, Tom Holland wearing a casual clothes, and Ned Leeds, Jacob Batalon. We also have Michelle Jones, MJ Watson, played by Zendaya. And Daredevil, aka Matt Murdock, played by Charlie Cox. Next are the major characters from the Spider-Verse computer animated film, starting with Spider-Woman Jessica Drew from Earth 332. Then Spider-Man Pabitier Prabhakar from India from Earth 50101. And last is the Peter Parker who died in a Spider-Verse film from Earth 1610. Then probably the oldest Spider-Man, Last Stand, Peter Parker from Earth 312500. Spider-Shot, or also called Assassin Spider-Man, Peter Parker of Earth 8351. Then Spider-Man Peter Parker from the Spider-Man Unlimited cartoons, that ran from 1999 to 2001. He is from Earth 751263. Then now from the primary Earth, which is 616, starting with, I guess this is the newest character among all figures, Spider-Boy, Bailey Briggs. He just debuted 2023. The first appearance of Kane Parker and Scarlet Spider, Ben Reilly. Both are clones of Peter Parker. Agent Venom, Flash Thompson. Spider-Man Peter Parker and Wolverine as part of the Fantastic Four. Super Skrull and Queen Skrull, but the main reason why I included them here is because I will use Spider-Woman in my display and not Queen Skrull. Superior Spider-Man, Dr. Octopus. Next are from the Spider-Man 2 video game. These are from the Gamerverse, Earth 1048, Black Cat Felicia Hardy, and Peter Parker wearing the black suit. Then my latest purchase from Earth 730-911, Spider-Man Peter Parker based on the 1977 Spider-Man film that serves as a pilot of the TV series. Then, Spidey and Friends, Spidey Peter Parker from Earth 21642. Last is Lego Spider-Man Peter Parker from Earth 1312. So now let's unbox all these figures. Here are again the newly unboxed figures. These are my existing figures that I removed from my display cabinet. Starting with the Renew Your Vows 2-pack with Spider-Man Peter Parker and Spinneret Mary Jane Watson from Earth 18119. Then based on the first appearance of Spider-Man Peter Parker from Earth 616, then this is a McFarlane Spider-Man statue which is also from 616. From Spider-Man and His Amazing Friends, the 1980s cartoons, from Earth 8107, Spider-Man Peter Parker carrying the dog Miss Lion, then Iceman and Firestar. Then the bombastic Batman Peter Parker from Earth 15343 and 616, he also has a counterpart. Miss You Stan. Gamerverse Spider-Man Peter Parker wearing the Velocity suit from Earth 1048. Cindy Moon aka Silk from Earth 616. Then the next are the main characters from the Spider-Verse films, Spider-Punk from Earth 138, Spider-Man Noir Peter Parker from Earth 90214. I'm excited with the Nicolas Cage live-action series. Spider-Man 2099 Miguel O'Hara from Earth 928. My favorite character Spider-Man Peter B. Parker from Earth 616B. Spider-Gwen Gwen Stacy from Earth 65. Last is Spider-Man Miles Morales from Earth 1610. Then from the 90s Spider-Man animated cartoons, Mary Jane Watson and Aunt May from Earth 92131. Spider-Man Peter Parker wearing the Future Foundation stealth suit from Earth 616. Then Spider-Ham Peter Parker from Earth 8311. And last is Spider-Mobile Peter Parker from Earth 53931. Miles Morales is the passenger. I'm glad that I already expanded my Spider-Verse collection and I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate it if you click the thumbs up button and just a small request, if you could please subscribe to my channel. Again, I am the Markman. Thank you for visiting the Markverse and always remember to pay it forward with kindness.